Alright, this is the video where we're completing the sheet, finding electrons, protons, and neutrons on the periodic table. So what you actually have to do, if I just kind of scooch this down, is find the number of protons and the number of electrons, which I'm telling you here is the same as the atomic number from the periodic table. And to find the number of neutrons, you have to take the atomic mass, subtract the atomic number, and perhaps do a little bit of rounding. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that right here with a few examples, and then you're going to have to use the previous handout that we filled out to complete it. Okay? So here we go. So we'll start with hydrogen. Okay? So there's hydrogen. What you're going to do is write down the number of protons and the number of electrons. So the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Well, that's going to give you both pieces of information. So what you do is you write down 1 proton. Again, the atomic number is 1. That also means we have 1 electron. Okay? Now what you have to do is use this equation here. The atomic mass subtract the atomic number. So the atomic mass is 1.01. Round it, it's 1. So 1.01, okay, which we rounded to 1, and we subtract 1 from it. So we're taking, if you look here, the atomic mass, rounding it, and subtracting the atomic number from it. Okay, so 1.01 rounded is 1, subtract the atomic number 1, and 0. So there is no neutrons in hydrogen. Let's go to the next one. Just below that is lithium. So we're going to write the chemical symbol, Li, so we're getting that right there. And we're going to write the number of protons, which is the same as the atomic number. So we write 3p positive. Now we need to write the electrons. So again, same as the atomic number. So we write 3 electrons. Now we have to figure out the number of neutrons, okay? So N equals, so we're going to take 6.94 and round it, which gets rounded to 7. So 7, subtract the atomic number, which is 3. 7 subtract 3 gives us 4. So lithium has 4 neutrons. Okay, we'll do this one right here. This is beryllium. Okay, so lithium, then beryllium. So we write the chemical symbol, Be. Let's write the protons now. So find beryllium, it has an atomic number of 4. So we write 4p positive, 4 protons, and we write 4e negative, 4 electrons. Now we have to figure out the number of neutrons using this equation again, which is right there in the screen. So neutrons equals the atomic mass. So the atomic mass for beryllium is 9.01, which is rounded to 9. And we subtract its atomic number from that, which is 4. So 9 subtract 4, and that will give us 5 neutrons. Okay. Again, like the previous handout that we were doing, if I open my periodic table here, we're ignoring this middle section, the transition metals. So we're actually going to jump from lithium, beryllium, and skip all the way over to boron over here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's have a look at boron. So boron's right here. It's in group 13 or 3A, which is also listed there. So we write the chemical symbol B. And now we need to figure out the number of protons, which is the same as the atomic number, 5. So we write 5p positive. We also know that the atomic number gives us a number of electrons. So 5e minus. Now we have to figure out the number of neutrons. Again, use this formula right here. So take your atomic number, which is 10.81, and round it. We round that to 11. And we subtract the atomic number from that, which is 5. So 11 minus 5. And that gives us an answer of 6. So boron has 6 neutrons in it. So use the same procedure for the rest of this, okay? And you can use the previous handout, the periodic table that we filled out, to kind of help you along as well. And of course, this periodic table here is absolutely essential for what you're doing, okay?